Hello students, welcome to EKALAVYA IIT JEE Maths Academy. In this session, we are going to discussing about the JEE Advanced Previous Year questions from the chapter Integral Calculus. Students, from this chapter, we will get 4 to 5 questions in JEE Advanced. So let us start with the first question. So this is the question asked in JEE Advanced 2019. This integer type question for 3 marks. Now see how we can solve. So I am going to use the property here for solving this type of problems. Integration of a to b f of x dx, which is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So this is the property I am going to use here. So then what we get here, I is equal to 2 upon pi integration of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 dx upon integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x, a plus b minus x. So a value is pi by 4, b value is minus pi by 4. So a plus b minus x, so which means pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus x. So pi by 4 minus pi by 4 gets cancelled, then we have only minus x. So this x we can replace with the minus x. So we get 1 plus e power minus sin x into 2 minus cos 2x, 2 minus cos 2x. So here we get cos 2x only. Why? Because cos is the even function. So cos of minus x is equal to cos x only. So now I is equal to 2 upon pi integration of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. So here denominator 1 plus e power minus sin x we have. So this e power minus sin x we can also write 1 by e power sin x. This e power minus sin x we can also write 1 by e power sin x. Now after taking the LCM and reciprocal, then we get e power sin x into dx upon 1 plus e power sin x into 2 minus cos 2x. Now I am taking this equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So now I am going to add this to equation number 1 and 2. Then we get 2i which is equal to 2 upon pi integration of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 plus e power sin x upon 1 plus e power sin x into 2 minus cos 2x dx. So I am going to add here equation number 1 and 2. So if we can add equation number 1 and 2, then we get 2 times of I which is equal to 2 by pi integration of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 plus e power sin x upon 1 plus e power sin x into 2 minus cos 2x. Now this 1 plus e power sin x and here 1 plus e power sin x gets cancelled and here 2 also gets cancelled. Then we get I is equal to 1 by pi integration of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 divided by 2 minus cos 2x. So this cos 2x we can also write 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x into dx. So this cos 2x we can also write 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Now after taking the LCM and reciprocal, then we get 1 by pi integration of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 plus tan square x upon 1 plus 3 tan square x dx we will get. So how we can get this step now? Suppose if we can take the LCM here, LCM is 1 plus tan square x. Then we can multiply with 2 plus 2 tan square x minus 1 plus tan square x. Then 2 tan square x plus tan square x is the 3 tan square x. Then 2 minus 1 is the 1. So we get 1 by pi integration of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 plus tan square x upon 1 plus 3 tan square x dx we will get. Now this is, we can also write I is equal to 1 by pi integration of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. This 1 plus tan square x, we can also change it as secant square x by using the trigonometric identities, and denominator 1 plus 3 tan square x is as it is. So now if we can observe here, this secant square x upon 1 plus 3 tan square x is a even function. So this secant square x upon 1 plus 3 tan square x is a even function. So this is, we can also write 1 by pi integration of 0 to pi by 4, 2 times of integration of 0 to pi by 4 secant square x upon 1 plus 3 tan square x dx. So if the function is a even function, then we can also write 2 times of integration of 0 to pi by 4 secant square x upon 1 plus 3 tan square x dx. Now I am taking here, let root 3 times of tan x is equal to t. Let root 3 times of tan x is equal to t. If we can differentiate on both sides with respect to x, then we get root 3 into secant square x into dx, which is equal to dt. So now this integral become I is equal to 2 upon pi integration of, what about the limits? If we can take x is equal to 0, then t becomes 0. If we can take x is equal to pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is 1 into root 3 is root 3. Then secant square x into dx, which is equal to dt upon root 3, then 1 divided by 1 plus 3 tan square x. If we can take squaring on both sides here, we get 3 tan square x is equal to t square. So finally we get I is equal to 2 upon pi integration of 0 to root 3 1 by 1 plus t square into dt by root 3. So here 1 by root 3 is a constant, so I am taking outside the integral, then we get 2 by root 3 times of pi, then 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. Integration of 1 by 1 plus t square into dt is tan inverse of t with the limits 0 to root 3. So if we can take t is equal to root 3, if we can take t is equal to root 3, then we get pi by 3 and 0 is minus 0. So then we get 2 pi upon 3 root 3 times of pi. Now this pi gets cancelled. So now what they are asking in the question? 27 times of I square, which is equal to 27 into I value is 2 by 3 root 3. So then we get 4 by 27. Then 27 gets cancelled. Finally we get 4. So the correct answer is 4. So next question is the area of the region x comma y such that xy less than or equal to 8 comma 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal to x square. So this is also question asked in JEE Advanced 2019, and this is the single correct answer type question. So single correct answer type means out of 4 options only one option is the correct option. Then see how we can solve this one now. I am going to solve this by using the graphical method. So this is the y axis and this is x axis. X axis, y axis, 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal to x square. So y is less than or equal to x square. So how we can get the graph of this? Y is equal to x square. So like this we will get. And 1 less than or equal to y. 1 less than or equal to y. So this is y is equal to 1 and this is y is equal to x square. And xy is less than or equal to 8. Xy is less than or equal to 8. Then y less than or equal to 8 by x. Y less than or equal to 8 by x. Now where this curve 8 by x meets x square. Where this curve 8 by x meets x square. Now 8 by x is equal to x square, then we get x cube is equal to 8, then x is equal to 2. So at x is equal to 2, what about the y? Y is equal to 4. At x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Then, so what about this line? Y is equal to 1. Then y equal to 1, right side we have 8 by x, then x is equal to 8. So at x is equal to 8, y is equal to 1. Now see how we can draw the graph of 8 by x now. So this is the point 1 comma 1. So this line y equal 1 touches the curve y equal to x square at the point 1 comma 1, and this is 8 by x. So 8 by x meets the y is equal to x square at the point 2 comma 4. So this is the point 2 comma 4, and this line y equal to 1 touches the 8 by x at 8 comma 1. So now we want to find area of this portion. So I am splitting here. Here the point is 2. So A is equal to integration of 1 to 2. Integration of 1 to 2, we have x square minus 1 into dx plus integration of 2 to 8, 8 by x minus 1. 8 by x minus 1 into dx. Now A is equal to integration of x square minus 1 is the x cube by 3 minus x 1 to 2 plus 8 times of log x minus x with the limits 2 to 8. Now A is equal to, we have to substitute the limits, what we get? 8 by 3 minus 2 minus of 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 8 log 8 minus 8 minus 8 log 2 plus 2. Now we are going to simplify this. Area is equal to 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is the 7 by 3 and minus 2 plus 1, which is the minus 1. Now 7 by 3 minus 1. 7 by 3 minus 1 is the 4 by 3 plus 8 log 8. Log 8 we can also write. Here 8 we can also write 2 power 3. 3 if we can take before the log, we get 24. 24 times of log 2 minus 8 times of log 2, which is the 16 times of log 2, and minus 8 plus 2 is the minus 6. Then A is equal to 16 times of log 2 base E and 4 by 3 minus 6, which is the minus 14 by 3. So we get area is equal to 16 times of log 2 base E minus 14 by 3 square units. So this is the correct answer.